Welcome to a new video, guys. Today I'm going to be talking about how to fix a problem when you're not receiving the messages on your iPhone. Okay, so it's going to be a very simple step-by-step process. So please follow this and also like our video and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so let's start with the solution. So first of all, we need to locate the settings on our iPhone. We want to tap on it once you located it. Okay, now what you want to do, you want to go all the way down and find the apps on your iPhone. Okay, here you want to scroll all the way down to find the M section, and in the M section you will find the messages app. You tap on it once. Now here there are a couple settings you want to make sure are turned on, or in some situation you want to turn them off as well. So what you want to do is to find this iMessage, as you can see here, make sure it's turned on. So now it's turned off, now it's turned on. Okay, the next thing you want to find is the MMS messaging. This thing should also be turned on. If you scroll down, make sure that the filter unknown senders is turned off in the section which is called message filtering. Okay, so this is a very simple step. Next one is to check if your iPhone has to be updated. So for this we're going up, and here you want to go to the general tab, and then the software update tab. Tap on it once, and here just let your iPhone check for updates. And here we go, we found an update that should be updated. Our iPhone should be updated now. It takes 3 gigabytes and I need to update it now. I will not do it now because I don't have any problems with my messages, but it is very possible that the problem with your messaging is related to this iOS update. Okay, so press the update now or update tonight if it's not an urgent problem, but I would recommend to update it now and then wait for the download, wait for the update to download and install, and then check if you can now receive the messages. Okay, what I will also advise you to do before the update or after, doesn't matter very much, is to reset your phone. And I recommend doing the forced reset of iPhone, because this will make sure that all the temporary files that act as an obstacle for your iPhone to behave properly, to function properly as of receiving messages and sending messages properly, is a forced reset thing. You need to do it. So how to do it? You need to press the volume up button, then volume down button, and then hold the power button. Okay, so volume up, volume down, and then we're holding the power button. Okay, so now it gives us the option to slide to power off, which we need to do to proceed with it. Okay, so once done, you leave your iPhone for at least 10 seconds in this idle position to process the turning off, and then you want to switch it on and hold the power button for 5 to 10 seconds to let your iPhone turn on. Okay, now we can see I accidentally removed my finger from the power button. Okay, so now it's turning on. Okay, so you leave your iPhone for another 10 seconds to turn on, and then see if your messages begin to work as they should. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.